26. 26, I think it's 30. I think 27 pa lang ngayon. I think, August 27. So, I'll be visiting my brother. Kasi inayos namin yung study room ko for online classes. So, ito, tingnan nyo. This is gonna be my study room. Ito, this place. This space lang naman. Ito, move rin yan, matatanggalin din. And then ito, malilipat lang din yan in another place. Somewhere there. And yeah, I have yan. So, ayun. I have that space. This one. Diyan. Bibili tayo ng study table tomorrow. Study table, tapos and yun, I already have my yung ring light ko. And yeah, I'll just be packing my stuff para maka-Gora Bells na tayo, mga bez. Ayos ako ng gamit, and then we're gonna eat. And yeah. Nagdala lang ako ng konting labahan kasi maglalaban na lang din ako doon. So, why not, diba? And then, we have like, personal kit ko. It has my, pang skincare ko. Basta, yan, then, yun. Pinaprepare ko lang kasi para wala akong makalimutan. Ang hirap kasi pag may nakakalimutan. And of course, I have to bring... Nadala ko ng sabon kasi ayan. Nadala ko ng sabon. Kasi natunaw na yung sabon ko. So, yeah. Yun. And... Saan ba yun? Ay, ito. Soap dish. Soap dish. And that's all. Kakain na tayo. That's all. Kakain na tayo, guys. So, ayun guys. Change of plans. Hindi na pala ako kakain dito. Doon ako kakain kina kuya. So, yun. And then, alis na rin naman ako nakapag-book na ako ng sasakyan. Yun. Nakapagdala na rin ako ng mask, tsaka alcohol. So, yun. See you sa biyahe, I think. dinuguan tsaka barbecue. Kain muna ako. Tapos na ako magsampay and eyes are kinda itchy. Kinda itchy. So, inom na tayo ng water. magpahinga na tayo. And try na natin yung movie. So, yun. That's it for today na, I think. And then I'll just see you guys tomorrow. A few clips from paglabas namin bukas. So, yun. See you tomorrow.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
Good morning, guys, and ayun. It's the next day na, since yesterday yun. Super busy kasi kami, ayun, bumili na kami ng study table and stuff. Tapos ayun, very busy nun, hindi ako masyado nakapag video. So today, kakain muna tayo ng breakfast. Plano ko gumawa ng French toast, tapos may strawberry jam, tapos may kanin pa kasi dyan eh. And then, I'm gonna show you later my study room. So, yun. See you later! So, ayun na nga guys, hapon na, and Diyos ko ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng na mag-video. Pero anyway, napagod kasi ako, naglinis ako ng banyo and stuff. Pero anyway, to show you kung ano yung nabili namin kahapon, here, andito na siya. So, papakita ko sa inyo. Guys, yung pinakahihintay natin lahat. Hintay natin. Yun, this is my online classes setup. Diba? Diba yan? Kompleto na. Nabuo na rin siya, guys. Yan. I'll just do a separate video na lang, I think, kung ano yung mga nabili namin. Pero, onti lang din naman yun. Parang short haul lang. Ayun. Wait lang. Try natin itong upuan. So, ayun guys. I think this is gonna be the end of my video. So, if you enjoyed this video, just like and comment anything, I guess. Kahit ano masasabi niyo to improve on anything, like the video on something. And then, please do subscribe. And ayun, this is gonna be the end of my video, and I'll see you next time, I think, kung gusto niyo pa ba. And ayun, follow me on all my social media accounts, nandyan lahat sa sa description box below. And bye! See you next time. Ay, ba't ganun? May pa-sound.